Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Just another update on these Greenworks 25s. We're down to our last one. I'm hauling these two off to the dump right now. This is the second generation and the third generation. You know, this one probably lasted the longest, but this third generation, they sent this to us, you know, when we were having issues last year, and it probably died the quickest of all of them. Transmission went out with probably, I would guess, 25 hours or so on it. So, you know, unfortunately, while I've heard good things about their 21s, appreciate the Greenworks people trying to send that to make it right, the situation. You know, these things are definitely not able to handle any kind of commercial work. But, you know, hauling these off, we have one more gray one that's the first generation that we got as a replacement for, you know, the two previous ones that died on that one. And it's still out, but, you know, it'll probably, I'm guessing, it will probably go here pretty soon. But another update on that. I hate to see that. They're a very comfortable mower to use, very lightweight, pretty short turning radius, but you know, just not made to handle frequently or tall grass mowing.